Are you ready for your next journey with Coach USA? Important. Coach USA's intercity bus services are operated by Megabus. But wait, have you checked their luggage guidelines? Knowing the ins and outs of their luggage policy can save you from surprises and make your travel experience smooth and hassle-free. It's important to understand their luggage policy. In this video, we'll break down the essentials you need to know about packing your bags for your next trip with Megabus services. Megabus allows each passenger to bring one piece of luggage and one small carry-on bag. This is perfect for the solo traveler or the weekend warrior who's planning a short getaway. Why? Because you don't need to worry about extra baggage fees or complicated check-in processes. Just pack your essentials and you're good to go. Your luggage should not exceed 62 inches in total dimensions and must weigh 50 pounds or less. This is ideal for frequent flyers and seasoned travelers who are used to packing efficiently. Keep your bags within these limits to avoid any last-minute hassles at the bus terminal. Remember, packing light isn't just about convenience, it's also about speed and mobility. When it comes to carry-on luggage, think small. A bag that fits under the seat or in the overhead compartment is your best bet. If you're a tech-savvy traveler or someone who likes to keep their essentials close, a compact backpack or briefcase-sized bag will suit your needs perfectly. Avoid larger wheeled bags that you'd typically bring on a plane. Those won't make the cut here. Planning a longer trip and need to bring more? No problem. You can purchase an extra ticket for an additional piece of luggage, as long as it meets the size and weight requirements. This option is ideal for families or those who just can't leave home without a little extra. Just make sure you plan ahead, especially if you're traveling through major cities like New York or Los Angeles. Prohibited items, what not to pack. Bicycles, skis, snowboards, golf clubs, and musical instruments not permitted unless in a case meeting size and weight restrictions. Megabus prohibits certain items, including hazardous materials, weapons, and oversized bags. Megabus operating carriers do not check luggage or provide receipts for luggage. Passengers are responsible for their luggage and any items brought on board. This policy is in place to ensure the safety of all passengers and crew. So, if you're a safety-conscious traveler, stick to the guidelines and avoid packing anything that could be considered dangerous or illegal. Megabus makes accommodations for special items like medical devices and strollers. If you're traveling with a child or need medical equipment, rest assured these items won't count against your luggage allowance. This makes Megabus an excellent choice for families and travelers with specific needs, allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey. Crossing borders? Here's what you need to know. When traveling between the US and Canada, your luggage is subject to inspection, and you'll need to declare any items at the border. Megabus isn't responsible for luggage during this process, so make sure you claim all your bags and have your travel documents ready. For international travelers, this means less stress and more clarity during your journey. Now that you're familiar with Coach USA Inter-City Travel with Megabus's luggage guidelines, you're ready to pack smart and travel easy. Busbuster, travel cheaper.